Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to create a subscription and renew directly from leads in Odoo 20. So before moving on to the topic, I'd like to introduce Mobo. Take your Odoo experience beyond the desktop with Mobo, the open source mobile suite built for business on the go. Manage your operations anytime, anywhere, access your data, monitor performance, and stay connected from your smartphone. This is designed for both iOS and Android. Mobo drives a seamless, intuitive experience that helps your team work faster and smarter. Built with an open source philosophy, Mobo gives the flexibility to customize, extend, and innovate without limits. Experience Odoo mobility with Mobo, explore the apps, join the community, and transform the way you work. Now let's dive into the topic. For that, we just need to ensure that we have installed the CRM module and subscription module. So once it's done, you can move on to the sales order to manage with the subscription. And let's click on new in order to create a new subscription. And here I'll be choosing the customer. Let's say Openwood is the customer and I would like to choose the product over here as camera service. Now, as I just get into the internal link of the product, in Odoo 20, you can see that under the sales, we have a section called subscription where you can find the prorated prices, where it means that you can just use this product for upselling and you can just manage with the calendar alignment and everything over here. But if you just want to set it as accept one time, then what you have to do is you can just sell this product as one time, not with a subscription. So here you can see that I have given it as prorated to a price over here. And once it's 10, again, let's back and you also just need to ensure that under the prices you have set the plan that you just want to manage with the subscription. So here you can set the quantity that you just want to set for subscription, and you can also choose a plan with the amount of subscription. Once it's done, you can save the changes that you have made over here. And let's save it and let me just click on confirm. And before confirming this, you can see that we have the other info. So under the other info, you can see that we can set the uh, opportunity over here. Like we can choose to which we just need to link this. So we can say that I would like to set it as service uh, of camera. Okay. And let me create it. And once it's done, you can save the changes. And under the sales order, you also just need to set the recurring plan. So I would like to choose the recurring plan over here as 6 months. And once you set this, you can see that under the other info, you will be getting the other date called the starting date of the subscription. So I'll be setting it over here. And you can also set the ending date of the subscription under the recurring plan, as we are just using 6-month plan over here. So it will be over on 21st of December. And let me save this and let's click on confirm, and you can see that this will be turning to a sale order. Now you can find the MRR, the project which is linked to it, and you can also find the upsell over here. Okay. Now, as I just move on to the order lines, you can, not to the order lines, under the other info, you can see that we have linked this into an opportunity or a lead. So under the internal link, you can see that currently it's in new state and you can find that the expected revenue and everything. I will be setting the expected revenue as 499 over here, and let me save this. Now you can see that upon moving on to different stages over here, the probability percentage will be increasing over there, and you can see that the quotation, the order, the rental, and under more you can also find the subscription which is linked into it. Now as you just choose the opportunity or lead over there, it will be automatically linking in order 20. Now let me just move on to the proposition, and let's move on to one over here, and currently it's one. Now, if you just want to upsell this, you can again move over here and you can see under the more, you will be getting the option to upsell this item. So you can choose the upsell option and you can see you cannot upsell or renew the subscription that has not been invoiced yet. So first we just need to invoice this and afterwards only we can just do the upselling. So first let me create the invoice over here and let's click on confirm and you can see that currently it's in posted state. And now let's see how to upsell this. So upon choosing the upsell, you can see if you want to upsell this, it will be upsell over there. And let me click on confirm. And you can see that currently it's 10. And as you just want the sales history, you would be able to see the sales history as well as the upsell over here. And upon moving on to the other info and in the opportunity which has been linked, you can see that the subscription will be changed to 2 over here and we can just directly manage from here. So that's how we manage with the creation of the subscription and renewal directly from a lead in Odoo 20. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.